Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Home delivery pizza chain Domino's Pizza has begun a Valentine's Day campaign which will run from February 11th to February 14th. Domino's will not only be having 50% off their premium range Quattro L-size pizzas, they are also offering a special heart-shaped pizza for the run-up to Valentine's Day.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Papa Gino's Pizzeria, heart-shaped small traditional crust pizzas are available through Sunday and served uncut. Papa John's, heart-shaped pizza is available through Sunday. Order using promo code Valentine to get for $11.
Let's help you make your mark.
Where to get heart-shaped pizza aka the best Valentine's gift ever. California Pizza Kitchen. From February 10 to 14, CPK is offering to make any, yes, any, of its pizzas into a heart free of cost, though that applies to thin crust pizzas only. Papa John's, Paisanos, Mountain Mike's, Hungry Howie's, Boston's, Pizza Hut.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Heart-shaped pizza for other occasions. Papa John's also offers heart-shaped pizza delivery for Mother's Day. If your special occasion calls for heart-shaped pizza, come to us. Don't forget to add a side like our delicious garden salad, chocolate chip cookie or even spicy buffalo wings.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.